I missed all this. Why would I want this?
I feel that.
This doesn't sit right with me.
All right. Let's see what's going on.
Even gold is so choked.
Yay, no delay, no delay. Okay, let's switch this up. Wow. Get a decent daily closure today. Might have an aggro day tomorrow on GJ. Oh, excuse me.
GJ just broke the highs on the 15.
I mean, yeah, GJ should drive and look pretty well. Look pretty
There's no
good.
entries right now. Just gotta kind of wait.
Oh. All right, so bully, 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 bully. GJ is bully. Yeah, there shouldn't be any delay right now on YouTube. Should be working fine.
You live? I throw an announcement. Got you.
That 4 second delay is smooth.
Hold on. Holy shit. Where is this? There we go. Lost the chart. All right. This
You
is,
with the Discord announcement.
do it.
Do it.
Just say
Done.
it.
Done.
There's a stream going on. Tell them that.
Have I
Let me hop on.
gotta show you this funny ass thumbnail for my clips channel for the milk clip.
Oh,
I
Milkster,
gotta
you have a
show you.
thumbnail for it?
So yeah, I'm doing more. I have a long form clips channel now too. So it's gonna be
Yo,
like uncut, like 5 minutes or whatever. And the thumbnail looks like this. Hold on. I'll send it in community general for everyone to see.
am I bugging? Is there no like data? What the fuck is going on? Oh, how far back does this shit go back?
On
What
the
is it?
30, I couldn't see it all the way back for GJ.
There she goes.
Is she driving?
My
Is she
bad. Current candle
driving?
stops to survive there. I believe.
I don't know where to draw a level there. I can't go back to the on trading view. I can do it on my TD on Trader's Domain, but I don't have a level here on on like what the fuck is this? Trading view's like I'm only gonna give you part of the info. This is
You have to guess for
this
the
is
rest.
technical analysis guesswork. Like what the fuck? I gotta go on my broker now. Last time we had price here was January 2016. So that's why
Jeez.
TradingView can't go back because it's been 6 years since price was here. So
6 whole years. Jesus Christ.
yeah, this is nuts. There's quite a bit of room here to drive up for GJ. Holy shit. I'm gonna act on it. Okay. Alright, chat. Sorry, it's been a little fucking quiet because I'm trying to figure out where the fuck is all the information here from trading. But it's alright. I'm just gonna do it from my broker. Alright, so we got a level here. We got a level on 168.729. Okay, we got 169151. And oh, fuck you, that's annoying. There's got to be another level up here somewhere at 174.58. Alrighty then. $30. Shift 30. 40 pip range. Well, so like there's room. There's plenty of room to move. We just need some closures above. And we're at a resistance on GJ. Please don't make any sudden moves. One six eight 3 1 2. Yo, don't be coughing on my stream, dog. Shit's contagious. Fuck.
Gonna get the COVID to the mic.
Not the COVID. Give my stream the YouTube COVID. They'll ban me for 2 weeks, and we only got 2 weeks in this bitch. I don't know. Hold on. Let's see if I can get chat to work. There we go. Much better. My terminal has 2 lines open on it. That's it. But because this is YouTube and people have no fucking clue what's going on, they just come here to take a trade and yell at me or yell at us. I have to post all this shit. Hmm. What if someone don't smoke? Well, your ass gonna have to start if you want to start taking profits here. Stop.
Yeah, that's the key. You gotta smoke.
It adds like a pip decimal to your trading. All right, so this is GJ and it's gay because we missed it. Well, we didn't miss it. I wasn't on. And this is gold. Whee! Sweet! Okay, this is our weekly. Ooh, closed bear last week. Daily closed bullish. Well, weekly we closed more or less doji. Broke the highs and lows. So if we expect the weekly to come down, we'd want it to break these levels, which would be the current with today's daily as well. But yesterday's daily closed bullish. So even though the weekly is bear, technically today we would expect this candle to come up, maybe to here, maybe to here. But we still have room to come up on the daily. 4 hours bullish. We have a 2 hour, 1 hour. Everything's bullish. Okay. So this was our entire session yesterday, right here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. No, wait. This
Yeah, I
1,
didn't
2,
miss much
3, 4.
yesterday.
These 5 candles were our session yesterday. These 2 candles are the current session today.
And those were London.
And this was London. Gold, what the fuck? WTF, gold. WTF. Get 60 pips in here. Yeah, I want to get out of this range. I want to take buys. I'm not touching unless we break above here. So my buys will be voice above. There we go. Good morning, little one. No Zoom Wix not. Oh, you know what? I've been ignoring everybody. Maybe I should do a Zoom. But I didn't upgrade it, JXTR. We'll have 40 minutes on there, and then I'll have to restart the Zoom. Thanks for doing this, Wix, while Don's away. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to sit here and trade by myself. It's boring. This is just a lot of extra work and a lot of extra shit I need to worry about on my screen. But it's fun. Like, learning. JXTR, is there a 1 month free trial on there? That he can use text on the line? I get it. Yeah, see, there's text on the line, right? But I mean, like, we're stuck in this ugliness right here, right? This, if we do, well, we're bearish for the day, right? No, we're bullish for the day. So yeah, I wouldn't take any sells here. All right, so this is range 1, technically. Range 2. Just looking, chat, in which case should we start thinking about sells? And sells would probably be, if this is range 1, this is range 2. We'll start thinking about sells if we start breaking daily lows. Fuck you. Work, bitch. See? So, if we re-break our current daily low and start breaking over here, start breaking this level at 1845, we'll start thinking about sells. For now, it is nothing but buys. How much room is there here? We can start looking at this as a fake out too here on the 4 hour. Because look, we just closed back in range, right? Shoot. This was pretty decent if it goes.
Gold is back in that area where you took a buy yesterday.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I actually like it here. Just want the 1 hour to close. So if the 8 a.m. candle closes, we might mirror this up.
Yes, sir. And NY volume too.
Yeah, we might come up here. So if we're at 8 a.m., if we close like this over here, I think we're gonna try to mirror this candle to come back up. See all this clean traffic and see this candle. That's where we want that candle. We want to respect over here, so we might get a bearish candle next, respecting 1850, and then dry. But we can take some buys on there.
Yeah, that would be nice to see it pull back for the last bit of the 4 hour. Take it.
Oh wait, what are you doing? All right, perfect. So now that all this shit is out of the way, and we drove up on GJ, we can smoke a joint, chat. Let's do it. Let's fucking do it.
Nuke is here.
Nuke.
Welcome back, man.
Nuke. All right, chat. We're gonna have a lot of fun today. I can already tell. I can tell by all the noise on stream and everyone being so hyped that we're gonna have major fun today. What's going on? People aren't packing out the Discord. Oh yeah, Marcos, thank you for posting that shit on the announcements. Yes. I don't like this quietness. I want people on here with me. I gotta talk shit. All right, chat. Give me 1 sec. Let me bring my daughter some yogurt. There's gonna be some major shit talking right now.
It's boring,
YouTube. I miss Don. I miss Don's voice. Right? Who else misses Don's voice? Wix is cool, but Don's got the voice, right?
Yeah, I missed Don.
I miss Don.
Don's gonna come here with his hangover voice again.
He's not gonna have a hangover voice. He's coming here fucking tan with a pina colada, a little mojito. Freaking Hawaiian shirt. His first stream back, he's wearing a Hawaiian shirt for sure.
Yeah.
Marcos, where you at? The boy went to make coffee. $43 of $75. Well, in the Discord, hurry up before this shit fills up.
What you watching, Vince?
Don's Instagram.
So this is all we have left, you know. Down to my last, I think, $400. See, and go back, might not. It one more day tomorrow.
What up? What up?
Vince, are you using a phone? I can barely hear you, man.
Smoke after
I already
work.
set you like 200% volume, but I can still hear you.
Are you talking to me, Jackson?
Oh, yeah.
Yo,
I was
somebody
listening to
got,
Don.
somebody
I was
got to
trying
turn
watch-
down their mic because we hear everything. Whoever's listening to some shit.
I muted them for you.
I hear everything.
ADM candle.
Yeah. We're waiting for ADM. I want to put some music on. I don't know how to play music here, and I don't want to play copyright music. I want some like roots, reggae, just
We're just
vibes.
gonna get a
T-Biggs
copyright
didn't
strike.
give you the files that he said earlier?
No, Biggs played me. Biggs is on here like.
I got you. I
What you
can
mean?
do you some music.
You can put non-copyright music, man.
I got you. You just have to. I'll add the rhythm. You have to add the rhythm bot to Discord, and then you can add the rhythm bot to the Discord chat, and then have him play non-copyright stream beats. I'll get it done.
Yes,
Give me a sec.
sir.
I'll get her done. Where'd you go, Marcus? You went to get coffee?
Yeah, I was doing some coffee and some stuff, secret stuff.
Nice. Marcos was solving today's and yesterday's Wordle.
Yeah, forgot about Wordle. Haven't done that in a grip.
You think Don's sleeping right now, or just trying to get out of bed with a hangover?
He's probably looking at the charts on his phone in bed.
In bed, right?
He's got one dead arm from spooning, and then one arm on the charts.
One dead arm under the pillow.
Yeah, everyone knows about that arm.
You know, I seen a mattress that has a space for your arm. It's got like a little hole
Really?
under the pillow for your arm.
I'd be waking up not being able to feel my arm like half the time.
Yo, who else wakes up going like this with their arm? Be like, come on, bitch, get feeling. And then the shit gets all spiky, right? Like you touch it and it's just like, ah, fuck.
Yeah.
Every fucking morning. Well, tell your girl to fucking stop passing out on your arm, yo. It's the worst. It scared the shit out of me when I was little. I was like, holy shit, I don't feel my arms. Fucking walking around like
It's
a
falling
T-Rex.
off. It's the worst when you sleep on the couch.
On the
When
couch.
you wake up. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind. Sometimes I'll take the couch over a dead arm. I want to hear Drunk Don. Drunk Don probably sounds like this.
Let me get this closer. Puking while he's calling out the trades.
All right, chat, we're going to have a buy stop.
752 buy stop. These 30-minute buys weren't bad, but it would have hit break even.
A few times.
Hit TP. Pain, man, pain.
Pain man.
Pain, man. I am the pain man. I could probably feed music through my mic. Let's see what it sounds like.
Do it. Do it.
Do it, do it.
You hear that?
Nope.
I got you.
Can you guys hear that?
I don't hear nothing, no.
You don't hear nothing?
Mm.
Huh. I got music playing. Oh, you know what it is?
What?
It's playing on desktop audio. You don't hear that? I got music on, but the desktop audio is on. I don't know. You guys should pick that up. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why you can't hear it. Oh, too loud. You do hear it. Never mind. So I'll turn it down.
Maybe you just can't hear it on the Discord side.
Yeah, that's probably it.
You go to like your
Go to
audio
YouTube.
mixer
On
on your
Discord.
computer.
Headphone users beware.
I'm gonna turn it down.
Liftoff of mission 41D.
That should be better, right? Right, chat?
Yeah, that's pretty good. I have it full maxed out and I can still hear you, so.
I can deal with this. Perfecto mundo. Alright, why are we watching GJ hit a resistance? We should be watching gold break out of one. Too Loud Wix. That's my name, Too Loud Wix. How did you know?
I need a serious bottom wick here.
Oh, sorry, you don't hear me. I said, look at this self-control, chat. It's rolled, and I'm not lighting it.
Honestly, you're an inspiration.
I surprise myself sometimes. What do I inspire you to do? Not be like me? You inspire me to not be like you. Alrighty. $30 seconds. I think we're gonna get a closer. The fucking thing breaks the high. Alright.
It's above everything, and it's gone. Tap most recent.
It's above it, yeah, it's above everything, but we needed a wick here. Like, what the fuck is this?
It tapped, it closed right above that support at 151 or 1851.53.
Yeah, I'm looking
And then
at it.
tapped it exactly. And then gone.
Alright, well, we didn't get what we wanted. What we needed here is a bottom wick rejecting at least off of these levels here somewhere. Once that would have happened, we would have had buys to go up here, but no mas.
Right, not. If you look at the 4 hour, painful as it sounds, above 1855, if we get a closure on the 4 hour there, that would be very
1855.
nice.
Yeah, that's That's our next zone.
Yeah, above 1855 will be cleaner. It's a lot cleaner than this. And we'll have direction. Guaranteed direction. Daily is flipping now. If we can get above 1855, we'd be breaking the previous daily highs. It'd be nice. Fret not. Make breakfast. There's still life at 8:30, but we need a move. They're saying the music's still too loud.
Is it? Let me turn it down.
It is pretty loud. I just checked YouTube. I'll let you know.
How about
Quite loud.
loud? I can't turn it lower. Like this is the lowest volume. Oh, wait.
Really? It's like extremely loud compared to your voices.
Okay, let's try this. Hold on.
There you go.
Is that loud?
Yes, they said it's better.
No, I just made it louder, but I'm gonna try to turn it down on OBS. How about now? All right, do you guys hear me? And do you guys hear music? Right now. Yeah, let me know if you guys hear me. Okay, you can hear me, right? But you can't, and we hear you, but no music. Okay, because I turned down the music a lot. All right, cool. What did you say? What do you mean, what should you talk about? There's so many things. Hot coffee or iced coffee? Sativa or indica? Barbecue or stovetop? There's so many things to discuss. No music is great. Like I hear music now. You guys made me turn on the music and now you're telling me no music is great? No, no, no. There's gonna be some music here right now. How about now? You guys hear it?
You gotta mod nuke.
Nuke is modded.
Nah. Not. You scammer.
See? Iced coffee or Red Bull?
Ice.
Yeah. Sweet. Sweet.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Sweet. Perfect now, right? So you guys hear the music and you guys hear me. Sweet. We're not doing anything. We gotta wait for a closure above 1857 here because this is little horse shit right now. Like we barely had a top wick, candle opened up, went straight up instead of coming down and giving us an entry. Pineapple's not for pizza. I don't know. Oh, Nuke, right there you are. I see it. Well, my daughter's screaming, pineapple. Since when is pineapple not for pizza? Sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. Don't tell your friends I said that. I'm gonna have a crew of 9-year-old girls at my door going, pineapples for pizza. Yo, the place, my pizza place next to me, they try to play me. They made a pizza, and when I asked for a Hawaiian pizza, they just threw a bunch of pineapples on top and reheated it. And since then, I don't go to Joe's Old School Pizza.
Yeah, they sure gave you the old school.
They straight up gave me the old school one. Like, this is the one we've had around for a while here. Give them that slice. Fuckers. I don't know, chat. Like, ugly, 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 ugly.
Very ugly. No news today either. We're gonna need some sort of a catalyst.
We're gonna need some volume, right? So,
That
COMEX?
daily range is disgusting.
COMEX is next.
Our
It's
hope
20.
would be
It's
that
20 pips
COMEX
here to resist.
Yeah. On GJ,
Mm-hmm.
I have resistance at 328 on the 4 hour, and it tapped it exactly.
Yeah, but we're
328
gonna fill the SWIC right now.
Yeah, that's true.
Look, the hourly pulled back the last 15 of the hourly, just like it always does.
15 for 15. It's not bad actually. If you look at the lower time frames, you're tapping into that support at 168.020.
This is what's so annoying. Trading doing trader's domain.
What's that?
Yeah, I'm looking at this buy chat, but I don't know. If this was the Gladiator candle, we could use this wick to take advantage of it. But right now, I think we can reject anywhere within this wick and come back down. So even if we flip bullish and we expect to fill this wick, it's only 15. If this wick was like 40 pips, we could try to grab 15 out of it. But it's 15 pips. We could reject 5, 6, 8 pips in it and come back down. But you do have a 1-to-1 on the flip using current candle stops. You have 15, right? For 15.
What you could say is at the top of this wick, you'd be breaking those daily highs, weekly highs. If you look left on the higher time frames.
Yeah, I'd rather break them and then be in.
Mm-hmm.
It looks
think
decent. I
HG
mean,
is
there's no
back.
reason for it not to drive up. I mean, we're really bullish, 10 minutes from COMEX. And here it goes. Are we driving up? Yep. There's the flip. So if it drives, that's going to be great for us, right? Because if it drives, it's going to clear out this whole range here. If it comes back, we'll trade the range. And if it closes above, we'll trade the range above it. Simple. I don't know why these are so fucking far. Why is it called a gladiator candle? All right, so what do gladiators do? Gladiators, right, where they were the first ones into battle, right? And look, we had a candle go, couldn't break through, 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 and the first candle that broke through, we call that the gladiator candle. That's the motherfucker with the shield going, "Arr! Arr!" And yeah, that's the motherfucking candle that pushed through to the next zone. So when we say gladiator candle, you'll know that's the gladiator candle. It's not necessarily an engulfing candle. It doesn't have to engulf a candle. It could have been like it could have been tiny. We could have just had a gladiator, like, where can I show you a gladiator candle? Let's go to DJ. That's my DJ. So see, this is the gladiator candle right here. Because it broke through, or I'm sorry, right here. Broke through to the next range. This is the gladiator candle. But typically, they can be like this too. Like we could have had a zone like this, and this green little candle right here. This little one. That could have been a gladiator candle. Typically, it's something like this that you want to look for, breaking out of a range. Something that leaves the top wick and doesn't drive too far. So this way you broke out of a range, and it gave you a range with that top wick to fill. So here, for example, see, you closed above range right here, and you have it also gave you a wick. It broke previous candles, and it gave you a long wick. So now if you reject, you're going to fill this wick. Once you fill this wick, you could go break even. That's your advantage of this wick. And then if it breaks it, you're playing with house money as it's breaking highs. It's just a candle that drives you out of the range. Have you taken any trades today, Wix? No trades today. Yeah, so I'll listen to my advice on screen. I don't know who's writing all these things, yo, but that guy's brilliant. Odysseus candle. Gold is active. Wix, you are talking funny yesterday. Today you're talking typical Wix. Not. I was going through shit. I'm trying to set up the stream. Oh, you know why it was funny also? Because there's a big delay on YouTube. Like today, there's no delay. I can actually communicate with you guys. Yesterday, it's like, oh, let's wait 30 seconds before we can speak to each other. And then let me reply, and then it's another 30 seconds. Yo, Sid, be careful what you ask for, because Naked HD shows up with a crew, and they fucking... It's like a crew of drunk chicks where one of them just had beef with somebody, and they all jump in. That's what Naked HD is. It's just a bunch of girls in heels waving in the back. Holding their heels in their arms.
Don't mention them. They will come. They can hear you.
Say Naked HD 5 times in the mirror. He'll show up right behind you with a stiletto. Show up behind you with a 6-inch heel. Naked HD, Naked HD, Naked HD, Naked HD. Who dares me to say it one more time? Pips and trips, what's your daily bias for gold? We are bullish on gold. Oh, wait. No. Look, so we base our bias for the day based on the previous day, right? And look how the previous day closed. Right, we closed bullish. We broke the lows of the previous candle. We kind of respected resistance, and the weekly's bearish, right? So we can say, hey, if there was a place to reject for the weekly, this could be it. But we'd have to wait for range 2. Otherwise, as this starts breaking highs, we're gonna take the buys with our daily bias. Our daily bias is bullish because the previous day was closed bullish. Closed really strong bullish too, if you can see. Look, and it kind of closed above this little zone right here, right? Once it closed above, and then today, if we respect it like this, what are you gonna have tomorrow? You might have the wick special to come up and retake the highs and re-break this resistance. Look, last time we held support here, boom, we closed bullish. This support holds right here. We close bullish tomorrow, and then we drive up. So this is what should happen. We should drive up. I'm not taking go buys until we break previous daily highs. Exactly. That's why we didn't enter right now. See? Good thing we didn't enter. Okay, yeah, the weekly structure is bearish, but we also had a really strong bullish daily close, right? So we'd expect that momentum for today, even though it might not carry on through the rest of the week. But we break these highs. We break previous daily highs. We're going up. We're going to fill this range right here to 1869. These last few days been strange in the market. Yeah, because you're not hearing Don say, all right, chat, we're going to put our buy stop here. All right, chat, we're going to have stops here. All right, chat, we're going to break even here. Don took the volume. Hey, I miss Don as much as all of you, honestly. He's just a vibe.
Yeah.
And GJ buys from 167559. Okay. I don't know where there's an entry at 559, but this is, yeah, this, oh, you, I don't know. I don't know where, 30? So this is 559. This was candle having a bottom wick. I wouldn't enter anywhere here because either this candle that broke out, but it had no bottom wick, you'd expect it to come down, or it was one of the bottom wicks of these candles. But yeah, somewhere around here was an entry we would have looked at because look, we had a nice closure above range, and then we just drove up. Look at this entry on the hourly. Like a break of the highs here. I think the entry 16775 was decent. Can you check charts for stream? I sent my NAS 100 ideas. DC Trading, I appreciate the compliment. Gold flip? No. It did come down to tap this zone that we wanted it to tap before making that top wick. So, no, let's see. Where's the break of the daily? Yeah, so the daily high is right here. Hmm. Let's see how we form it. We're not gonna have a trade here in the next 10 minutes. Let's see how this 30 closes. Really wanted to fill this range and take advantage of this, but it drove up here. I don't like this. And if it doesn't respect this support, then we can kind of say it formed a new range, right? I mean, I'm sorry, it's going back into range, right? It's gonna break below here. If it closes below here, we expect the next candle kind of make a top wick and come back down here and keep ranging. So since we're bullish, right, and we're looking for buys, if we close below here at 8:30, and then the 9 a.m. candle closes back above here, we're gonna have a 30-minute fake out, and we're gonna have a 1-hour hold of support. So even if it closes back in range, the play here will be, let's wait for the next candle to close back above it for the fake out, and then
There goes GJ right at 720.
8:20, right? Yes. Let's
820 your time.
8:20 volume COMEX.
What is the COMEX even?
What is it? It's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. I think they've pretty much merged with the New York Exchange
Okay.
now, but still, that's
Comex is like
the Chicago Exchange.
Okay, makes sense.
it's like the biggest exchange for metals like silver and gold. You can Google it
Oh.
up.
Yeah. I looked up COMEX FOREX last time. It just brought me a bunch of brokers.
No, it's the primary futures and options market for trading metals.
Yes.
Commodity Exchange. That's what it stands for. Commodity Exchange, COMEX.
Okay, that's why I brought up brokers then.
They usually open like at 8:20, so that's why we see a spike of volume with gold during 8:20.
Yeah. So NYMEX and COMEX are basically merged. There's just COMEX as the metals arm for NYMEX. COMEX is the platform NYMEX uses for exchanging metals, trading metals.
Gotcha. Yeah, there's so much fucking shit out there.
You know, COMEX is owned by Mexicans. The whole exchange is owned.
Maybe
A
that's
gold
why the
trust.
cartel
A gold
has a
trust.
bunch of-
Go with the COMEX. Gold trust owned by iShares. COMEX Group, a Mexican paint manufacturer and distributor.
Maybe the cartel owns it.
This candle about to break the 1-hour lows.
Oh. Volume came in on the opposite way for gold.
Whee! Fine. We didn't take any buys, right?
I didn't take no buys, no.
This is good because look. We were just up here. Weekly flip bear again. So last week was bear. We expect this week to continue bear. Let's see if the day flipped.
The thing is, the daily candle hasn't broken the highs yet, so it could just.
It hasn't broken the high, but it hasn't broken the lows.
Yeah, it's beside the previous candle. But if you look at the wicks of the daily, it's creating lower highs, and if this current candle breaks the low now of the previous
Yeah, we'll be
candle,
creating a lower low.
lower lows too. And that goes in line with the weekly being bearish. So let's see.
I really want the daily to break lows before taking any positions. Because, right, we can come down here and still come up. We can reject. How does daily look on Trader's Domain?
A little fake out action on GJ.
Well, that's ugly. Now we're going to need to close above NGJ, and we will wait for this 4 hour to close on gold. Wow, 4 hour broke the lows. Look at this celery play.
Yeah, that is nice.
Massive stops, massive stops.
Massive.
I don't know if I like this here or...
Get some water quick.
No, don't do it. I need a soundboard, right, chat? Sorry, I haven't been reading. Chat, can you check with Char? Yeah, give me 1 second. I'll go into the Discord in a minute. I keep seeing a stone dude in the top left corner. Fuck, I don't know what to tell you. Guy's a weirdo. What is he doing there? Why is he there? How much
And
joint there?
HD starts.
I'm scrolled too high up to see naked HD. Hey, Wix, isn't gold in range too? I mean, I would say gold is just in range. Gold is barcoding. I will not take sells on gold until we break daily lows. Unless we can kind of... Yeah, I would love to close below here on gold. But if we close here, below here, we can anticipate, right? We can anticipate that gold weekly is going to be flipping. We just need closures. We can't enter on anticipation. Hey, Naked HD, where you been? We missed you. Most dedicated in the industry. Word, I'm gonna mod Naked HD.
Not a good idea, trust me.
You could shut down the whole stream.
Can barely hear Discord on YouTube, Wix. I know, but I had to turn it down a bit in order for the music to not be like wild. What if I turn you guys up, but the YouTube itself down? So this is Discord, and we turn you guys up. And this is YouTube. Turn it down. Is this good, or is this... JCR, say something? I want to see if we are too loud or no. What was that?
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. I think JXDR is just quiet by nature. He's just low volume. JXDR is like gold right now.
I'm talking softly because it's nighttime here, man. It's 8:30.
Yeah,
Isn't it really late by you right now?
Yeah, it's 8:30 p.m. My time is exactly opposite.
8:30.
Eastern
8:30
time.
p.m. is the loud time. That's the loudest I can be throughout the day. 8:30 p.m. Literally. Like, that's when my TV is up to the loudest, when my kids are wilding out, and when I got all my phone calls on speaker. It's still a little low. Not the music, right? The people in the Discord. Marcos has abandoned us, he said. Forget you. And forget you too. Okay, who asked me to look at a chart?
Shit.
You got in right there? This was your entry? For sell. How did you know?
How'd you know? I just know.
Magic.
Obviously, the bullish bat engulfing 360 no scope.
So butterfly, harmonic pattern.
I mean, no, I mean, obviously, these are... What's SMA? Smart money action? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. SMAs. Those are something.
This is an SMA, and the reason there's an SM in the name is because it stands for smart money. Oh, someone's gonna be answering me right now. And I'm like, no, it doesn't. I mean, I don't know. I gotta know why there's an entry here. Now I'm intrigued. Like, why we were going up and all of a sudden on the wick.
Bearish block.
We were going up, he got in for sells, and I went down.
We're going up from here.
He's a market maker.
I mean, like that, like to do that. That's
You need some
hawkish.
massive
Yeah.
capital.
I mean, you won. Yeah, I just don't trade that way. So I don't know. Like, I can't break it down. I can't be like, wow. I can only be like, wow. Good trade. Really good trade. Charts for stream. NAS 100 ideas. Huh. So we are bullish. Range. Yeah, this looks good. Range 1. Oh, wait. I'm breaking it down on my other screen. Perfect, right? Bullish for the day. I believe. This is the 30, yeah. So we were bullish for the day. You have your range here. You broke out. It's your range 1. Then you came down. Range 2. You had a fake out. Came back up. Range 1. Range 2. And sells below here. And if we close above here, yeah, very solid. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Now get off my screen. Are we faking out here on gold? Is that what's happening? Did we close bearish here? Like we said, we're going to come back up above this range and close bull? Huh. Well, last 15 of the 4-hour chat. We ain't got shit to do here but smoke a J. Alright. I need an extra screen just for the chat. Yo, Wix, what happened to Don? He blew his account.
People are actually gonna believe that too.
People are gonna clip that and
Blast that
other
all
streamers.
over.
This is gonna start one. The good thing is this stream is all recorded. So if they take me out of context, I'm just be like, yo, Don, pull up the stream, bro. I don't wanna
Literally. We're literally joking.
Like, the dude deserves a vacation, right?
Yeah, I'd
he's
say.
he's
I mean, he's
paid
paying-
so many this year that he deserves a vacation. Like, what the fuck? He doesn't, like, if I was Don, I would not have brought my nothing with me. There would be no MT5. I would not be on YouTube or like. But I understand him.
Yeah,
Like this,
no, I
like
would.
I can feel him, right? Like that's something. The stream is something he's built. This whole process. That's like that's his shit. That's his baby, right? So
I was gonna say that. Yeah,
it's
that's
hard
his
to leave your baby
behind. on
behind.
vacation.
and it's like his baby's just alone there, and like we don't want to take it. Like that's Don's shit. Like I'm not gonna be streaming here for years, right? Like that's Don's shit. Don provides the platform for all of us to, you know, to be able to get better, to help ourselves and get better. So I'm like I don't forget that shit. I'm always thankful to Don for providing this platform. And it's up to us what we do with it, right? So in his absence, we make the best of it, but still, you know, this is Devious Gang, and this is, you know, this was initially, this was Don's idea that we helped build. That I helped build, Marcos helped build. But like we're the godfathers for Don's baby, basically.
You gotta take care of it when Don can't.
Yeah, yeah. Pray for Don. He's on a fucking beach with sand between his toes. Don't pray for Don.
Drinking.
Try to join. Be like, yo, Don, where you at? I want to come through. Take me with you.
We all pull up at the hotel.
Yeah, big DVS banner.
Big DVS bus. Coach bus pulling up.
DJ is pushing Wix.
Okay. Ooh. Push it. Yeah, we got a closure above. We'll take a... Wix, can you unban me on Don's chat? No, unfortunately, that's not something I can do. I am not allowed to do that.
Do the crime, yeah, do the time.
I can feel your pain, and I appreciate the fact that you had to find your way to communicate that to us, that you're banned and we need to unban you. And I'd love to do that, King James. I don't have that access. I'm a lot nicer than Don. People like Naked HD could DM me and I'll probably unban him. Just DM me, dog. Don't stop spamming my stream. DM me and I'll unban you. Like I can't, like, I think Don is the only one that has that power to unban. I mean, I have the power, I just don't have the permission. I don't have permission to use my power. Why did you get banned? I mean, you should know why you got banned. There's got to be a good reason.
Exactly.
Like, if you're banned, it's not for no reason, right? You must have went out of pocket at one point.
Do the crime, yeah, do the time. And that's that.
Interesting? Does this look interesting? Huh? You're yawning. I'm gonna start yawning. Go over there. Go play with your sisters. Go. What do you want? Kids are funny. She literally just came over, hung on my shoulder, and on my elbow, and she's like nagging. I'm like, what do you want? She's like, mwah. Like,
He wanted to give you a kiss.
she didn't want nothing. She just wanted to blow me a kiss. Like, that's crazy. I thought she
Yeah,
was
maybe
sitting-
be next to you. Like it's like that.
Yeah, like I thought she came over. Typically, like the older one, when she's being nice, it's because she wants like gummy bears, something like that. And I'm like, no, fuck no. These are protein gummy bears. They're for dad. But there'd be a lot less cereal in the morning in the cereal box, and I'd be telling them the tooth fairy took the shit. Well, you lost a tooth, right? The tooth fairy eats too.
She got 8.
Like, Dad, all the marshmallows are missing from my Lucky Charms. Damn leprechauns again. You keep stealing the Lucky Charms. Fucking leprechauns. We're gonna check under the rainbow next time, baby. It's alright, they have a happy childhood. There's enough sadness in the future that there must be as much smiles as possible in
When they're
childhood.
younger, yeah. It's important.
They gotta have happy childhoods and they gotta grow up happy babies in order to show their babies in the future that happiness exists. Happy childhoods possible. Happy life is possible. Mom and Dad did it for us. We can do it for our kids.
Yeah.
That's how they're gonna be approaching it.
Yeah, there's so much negativity in this world. You need as much positivity as you can.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like, it's a choice, right?
It is a choice, 100%.
It's a choice we can make. You can choose to be miserable right now, or you can choose to be happy. And people are like, why are you so fucking smiley all the time? You're always fucking, like, not serious. Because, like, can. That's my choice. You know what I'm saying? Like, you go be serious. You don't want to, you know, keep up that communication with me because you need some seriousness in your life and you need someone to understand you. Well, I don't know.
At the end of the day, they just need happiness in their own life.
Yeah. Feel that. Also feel like a lot of people don't allow allow themselves to be happy, or don't allow themselves to enjoy what they have, right? Because that's not the focus in their life. Like, they're focused on something completely different. And it's hard to be happy when that's not your focus. When your focus is be miserable for the next 20 days and grind to make some money, right? Or like whatever it is. Your focus, you know, it shouldn't be happiness, but if your focus isn't happiness, it's hard to like deviate from whatever you're focused on to just be happy. I've just made a choice for myself and just wake up, be happy, you know, and enjoy this experience we're provided. We've been given. Like, think about how many millions of sperm you had to beat out in order to fucking be born. Like, enjoy this
I don't
fucking
know,
experience.
like, the exact, like, real number of it, but they say it's like you're more lucky to win the lottery than to become a human, you know?
Yeah, I said that on a podcast.
Yeah, that's probably where I heard it from.
Wix, why don't you read the chat, Nomo? Nomo? I read chat. What do you want me to read? Daniel Savage rate quits this morning. LOL. Is that like part 20?
Part 20. Part
Smart
35.
Money says sell gold right now. Huh. Where after we broke highs? And this
That's
is good.
why you gotta wait 10 more minutes.
Smart Money cannot say gold right now. Oh, that's what you wanted me to read. It's the same guy. Why don't you read chat? Smart Money says gold. Who's Smart Money? Is that a guy in the chat? Who said it? I didn't hear anyone
think it's
say
like
sell
that,
gold.
like, I think it's that one indicator.
Smart Money?
Yeah.
Talking indicator?
Yeah, it, like, speaks out. Sell now.
Okay, bitch, sorry. We got 9 minutes. 9 minutes to go in this 4 hour. Right? So just take it easy. Ooh, closing above the most recent.
Be interesting.
Yeah. Why isn't it working? It's supposed to be shift. Click. There we go. Shit was glitchy. I think we need to close above my level here. On GJ. And if we close somewhere right here, we're gonna look for buys. I've been smoking the same joint for the last hour and a half.
Yeah, that's a good joint.
Keeps being put out. Does YouTube hear the music or is it just me?
Oh, you can hear it on YouTube.
Okay, good. Because I don't want to be the only one vibing to this shit in a certain mood. You guys are just...
Yeah, I got my own music playing in the background.
I got that. Right, because you're on Discord, right?
Yeah.
You don't hear it on Discord. I don't know why.
Oh.
Who do you have winning today's finals game, Wix? Golden State.
100%.
But I don't know what the spread is. Like, you gotta look like Boston might be a good bet, like depending on the spread.
I'd rather see the Warriors win since the Celtics beat the Bucks.
Oh, but overall, just win. Like, if you're not betting, I think Golden State's taking it.
I'm very good at predicting like who's gonna win, but I know for a fact as soon as I like bet some money on it, I'm gonna fucking lose. Just
So that's not really too good.
yeah, that's why I don't gamble. My gambling like odds are awful.
Oh, that's what you meant. Tete. I never know how to say your name right. I'm gonna be like TD, right? Tete or
Yo, Wix, can you hear
TD?
me?
Yeah, I can hear you. But yeah, I see you can add text to the line. That's dope. Some new shit learned. I don't use trading here. What's up? What's up, man?
Bro, that took me forever just to enable how to friggin' talk in this thing. Fucking old man not knowing what the hell's going on.
If I buy Zoom today or sign up for Zoom today, I'll do a Zoom tomorrow. JXDR and I figured it out last night. Well, he helped me. He helped me set everything up. It's just my Zoom is only a 40-minute session before I have to restart it. I don't want to fuck with that right now.
I know I got Pro. Yeah, Zoom has a free trial, so I have the paid version. I can give you a host, then you can just run it.
Hold on, they got a free trial going on?
Yeah, it's for like 30 days.
Shit, we're here for 2 weeks only.
Yeah, so it's perfect. Just buy it and then cancel your subscription.
Oh yeah, this shit's coming today. Where's my free trial, Zoom? They say nothing about this. I'm on Zoom right now. There's nothing saying free trial. Fuckers.
There should be.
I found it the other day. they limit how many people can join the Zoom, like 30 or something.
No, they limit my time.
Oh yeah, that's the time. That's right.
Where's the free trial here?
Let me look quick.
Should be like on their website, maybe settings.
Yeah, maybe to go to your account, and there you can see it
Yeah.
Yeah, register
on
or
Zoom.
something like that.
Go to your account, show us your password.
Okay.
Credit card number.
Just how do you give me access to your whole computer, Wix?
Mother's maiden name, social security
Remote
number.
desktop connection.
Avoid all that. Give us your weed.
You touch my weed, you better run, goddammit.
And we're gonna have the other guy who just said that he has terrible betting odds make his pick and then just go the opposite way. We made it.
Yeah, you just have to do what I do and just do the opposite.
That's it.
Okay, so I'm in my account. Limited time. This free meeting recently changed. 40. Upgrade to Pro so your meetings won't run out of time. Save 40% off of your first year of Pro annual 1 year when you upgrade by June 10th. Due to increased demand. Oh, fuck that.
Maybe they took away the free trial because there's so much people using it.
The time limit on your 1-to-1 free meeting recently changed to 40 minutes. Upgrade to Pro stream meetings. Save 40%. They want me to save 40% on my first year. Get offer. How many licenses do you need?
You can do a group meeting up to 30 hours. Jesus.
Alex, how was that bag margarita the other day?
What was that?
How was that bagged margarita?
The margarita itself wasn't bad, but the fucking fact that they put my drink in a bag, had a little rubber band around it, and put a straw through it.
Yeah.
I was
That's
like,
disgusting, man.
I came up to the bartender. I was like, you know this bitch is leaking, right? Yeah. This shit just had water.
Trying to save some money. But that's how our milk is in Canada. We have
Yeah, I know. That's why I said in the video. I was like, damn, Don Von knows all about this. Fried? Why? Because my eyes are bloodshot? That doesn't mean I'm fried. It just means I didn't sleep all night.
Got a little allergies going on.
Something in the air. Something in the air, chat. It's making my eyes burn.
It's your negativity.
We exchange the stream title.
Yo, Wix, what do you think about this GDA closure?
I think it closed below where we needed to close. I know we had the 4-hour close.
I think you drawed your line a little bit high. In my chart, it's slightly above.
Well, I see this 4-hour right here. Pretty strong. The 4-hour just closed, and we closed right at it. You see it?
Yeah.
I mean, unless this line is squiggly or I'm high, this shit don't look like it closed above. But like, I don't think there's an indicator for this shit to be uneven. Like, I would have to draw this line uneven. This is, I mean, I don't know. Like, I don't know. It might have closed above some previous support, but like, this is 4.
And it was kind of my daily target was 442, and it kind of already hit my daily target.
Yeah, I really want to close above this. Yeah. Ah, I hate when it does that shit.
It honestly looks like our best
What was that?
I think gold looks like our best, opportunity.
We'll see. We get.
Get one.
Depends. It's 9 a.m. I mean, I think I'm gonna be out of here by probably 9:30, 9:45. I gotta run today, but
I mean,
I stayed late the last 2 days, but that's because I don't know. I didn't need to do anything. But today I have some shit to do. Tomorrow's gonna be a longer stream. Yeah, we had the fake out here. I mean, but what the fuck? Yeah, this music hasn't been bad today. Marco's be treating this shit like it's his bedroom. He just be walking by this shit. Oh, walk in, say some shit, leave. Walk by. Make some coffee. Walk by, say some shit, leave.
That's actually the ideal trading session.
Yeah, that is. Come back and check every 15 minutes.
Just walks by, just finds something out, dips.
It's like what he said, we might be in this range for the rest of the day unless there is some news that pops up.
Yeah, you guys like this music? I don't know if I like it. I'm not sold yet. It's alright. Not bad.
It's not bad. I vibe with the beats.
A little mellow.
Switch it up. Switching it up.
Trickster, is that better?
Yeah, 30 fake out. Friggin' 9 pip bottom wick. No, thank you. Word, that's what I'm feeling like. Arr.
What time we do? 9:30, 10?
Yeah, 9:30. I think 9:30, 9:45, the latest. I gotta head out.
Yeah, another like 20 minutes.
might be. I mean, there should be moves. It's just I don't know if they're gonna be on, or if I'm gonna be on when this shit happens. I might be driving and trading off my phone.
Yeah.
It's not don't cry, but it'll do. Feel you on that. Just switched it up a little. Came for the music, stayed for the non-existent trades. I mean, what do you want me to do? There's been a trade. Maybe there was, but it's 6 a.m. before we hopped on. Yeah, I guess you could say it closed above the most recent support, but it's still closed respecting a major resistance.
Major D resistance, yeah.
Alright, so let's see, how would we do this with things? Oh, what the fuck? How do I do this? Yo, so shouldn't it stay there? Or did I not save it? So how do I get it to stay on the thing?
Oh, put it to the top right. Do the text alignment at the bottom, Wix. Put it to the top right.
Where? Oh, right here. Oh, top right of the thing. I get it. Of where I've extended it. Fucker. Now I get it. That makes sense.
do you hold up from trading the first 15 minutes of the 4 hour?
Do I not trade it out of like
Yeah, just
do
wait
I
for
look
it.
to not trade it specifically? No. I like if something sets up and if we start driving in the first 15 minutes, we'll start driving. I've taken plenty of trades like that. It's just what you'll see typically from 8:45 to around 9:15 will range at a resistance or at a support before we push before we have a volume push at NYSE. Or a little like lately it's been like NYC, small pullback at opening, and then like the 10 a.m. candle has been driving. But it's like it's been waiting for volume pre NYC. Market's kind of been ranging and waiting for volume. But if it happens, it happens. Like shit, this drives, great. I'll take it.
GJ 30 minute has a nice pullback on it. It's just, and then you got a wick fill. Nice guy.
Yeah, I mean, look, 15 pulled back, but kind of respected this area, right? If we close right now, the next 15. Maybe if we create a steep wick, we can look to trade this up.
Yeah, nice flip with the next. That 30 minute has a nice flip.
But I'd really want to see a steep wick.
Yeah, at least down to like 300.
They go on the daily, the left on the daily, see how the current candle capped that wick perfectly to the left. So that's nice. I reject off of here.
Only thing that scares me is the 15 breaking the lows. Does that scare you, Wix?
No. Hold on, how big is this? I think I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Yeah, I'm buying right here. I don't have time to even put a buy stop. I'm buying right now on it.
It's just going right now.
There it goes.
It's a small, it's not gonna go yet. It could range, but.
What do you got stops at current 30?
Hold on, I'm at 7 pips. So I took a buy right here on the break, as I just said. I didn't have time to pull this out, but we're touching, this resistance here. So I think I'm gonna go. How many did I get there? 7, 8. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even here. I got 8 pips on there at this level here. Come back, it's gonna hit my B. Really hoping it pushes. If it doesn't, we'll wait for the 30 closure.
Yeah, I got in kind of late. I got in at 448.
So my entry on my broker just now was 16842. 421.
421, okay.
Yeah, my stop's about to get hit. Yep. Did it stop me out? Yeah, you know what? It stopped me out at break even here. I didn't even think it would. Didn't look like it came down on on a lambda. But yeah, so stop me out of break even. I saw 8 pips max there.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving
I'm gonna wait. We're gonna wait for the 30 to close.
as heard from those positions.
If it was gonna drive, like it should just drove, not come back. Drives, it drives now.
To achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So if with this 30 closes like this, we're gonna wait for another wick and come up. But look, we had 15 held support and made a bottom wick into this zone, and you know we played this. This is our little advantage zone here. If we hit this break through, great. If we hit it and reject, we break even. It's house money. So
Literally. It should break through though. After this 30.
well, we'll see it happen, right? We'll see the 30 close.
Yeah.
What's the name of the song? I don't know the name of the songs. It's just a playlist. It's Chill Vibes playlist. How nicely gold drove up after that fake out. Steeper wick, like we said, buys above fake out, and just much volume. It's like what? It's only 9 pips for gold. That's nothing, right? Is that 9 pips? How much is that? Yeah, it's 9 pips. I should jump 40. Yeah, that's what we're doing right here. See, we're mirroring this up in here. Drive through. Same thing should happen here. Up in here, I should drive through. guess you can say also the most recent. I don't know. This was what we wanted. Five minutes till NYC, then I'll probably stay 10 minutes past it. By that time, the fucking Red Bull should provide the win. Sorry, chat. Had some phone calls. Did we get a closure? It's 9:30. Almost 9:30. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doji. Oh wait, here we go. Yeah, close Doji. So, I mean, you have to stay patient. We can't force it. We can force a trade, but I'm not gonna force a trade. I want to clear closure above. This is what the fuck we waited for all morning. What's the point of forcing one now? And oh, we went nowhere here either. Wow, look at this. Rejected. Closed bear. Expecting this support though.
When are you gonna hop off?
Maybe about 10-15 minutes. 9:40, 9:45.
You staying here until 10?
No, I gotta leave my house, I think, at 10. See this key? I mean, I don't know. Didn't close above for me. Didn't close above anything here either. Not the most recent, not ours. Fake out was a good play, didn't give us a nice enough wick. 9 pip bottom wick for 40 pips. And GJ said GG.
Alright, look to see you tomorrow, buddy. Jakester, have a good one.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
See you
I'm
tomorrow.
about to get off. Hit stops
You hit stops on what? Where did you take an entry?
on GJ.
Oh, well, we were discussing. I mean, yeah, it's a really strong resistance, brother.
Well, I took it when you bought it, and I bought it. I didn't get in for like 5 pips above where you got in. And I never could move stops to break even.
Here's the thing. Yeah, maybe my fault in communicating that very slowly, but once we started flipping here, like this was a really small wick, but it rejected off the zone. I figured we can take advantage of this. You have to understand. But once this rejects, we have to go break even here because we don't know how it's gonna reject this. You know, we don't know if it comes back in a range. What we were looking for is only the drive. So we were looking to get here and then go house money. You know, we're not securing bacon here yet because it's not 10 pips. But once we're house money, we're expecting this to drive, or you know, we lost nothing. Drive or lost nothing. We didn't expect it. We didn't want it to range in here and go slowly. That was the drive. You have to understand. This is the advantage point that Marcos talks about. Always having, you know, looking at advantage points, and that's the advantage points where you realize, you know, you have to take risk off the table. Not necessarily securing bacon, but you know, making sure you can't lose.
100%. Yeah, that was.
But if it happened too quick, that's why I said I just got in here, chat, and then it started drawing because I didn't have a time to even set a sell stop. Like this, you know, and I'm doing like 4 extra things that I'm used to, so I didn't even. Wait, hold on, I gotta follow. Stream's still here.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yeah, I'm between getting kids dressed. Back in between candles. Sorry, chat.
Best time.
Calling it a session here too.
Was good, Jay Good. What'd you say? Calling it a session? Ah. That went loud.
Don Vo is online on his phone right now.
Bye,
Mr. Donvo.
$9.33. Oh, Mr. Donvo had
Hello, Mr. Donvo.
had a little gold signal, I think. While I was away, huh? Is that what happens?
Yeah, he did. Buy gold at 1854. .337.
Hold on. Yeah, this is where the buy is. Around here. 32337. Why aren't you hopping on? Don, hop on the Discord, dog. Where is he? I don't think he's on YouTube. Maybe. So the candle made a high, made a low, rebreak of the current candle high, but I don't know. I guess he sees that we closed above. Could be the wick fill of the previous 30, but then again, for me, the previous 30 closed below. I don't know. And my zone was here. But down is down for a reason, right?
Down is down for a reason.
I see this a little bit different. Same, but a little bit different. See, chat, doing dad things, putting diapers on kids. What? In the future, these are going to be metal, and they're going to have a lock on them. Yeah, go ahead. GJ never closed above. Thank you. Yeah, see, so Don says 1854.5. That's the level I have. I don't know where that came about. Right? 1854, 430, 450. Close above here. See, like this candle right here. If we get this kind of closure, that's a gladiator candle. It broke out of this range into this range. We get this closure and a wick down. This is what we want. I forget that I'm live. I'm doing a bunch of things. You guys don't understand. I have 3 kids. 2 of them are sitting on the floor right next to me trying to get dressed. One's putting on a pair of pants on her head. What are you doing? And the other one's just staring at me, sitting there playing with toys. And like, I gotta be a dad. I got shit going on. Like, I wish this could be like zone in time, but I can't. Like, there's shit going on. There's people calling me. There's a guy in my backyard that I don't know. Pool guy. Ain't nobody bullshitting here with me. And look, we rejected. GG's being a silly goose too. Look at it. It's not doing anything.
It literally is being dumb.
Look, so I'm holding my month-old baby right now. I feel you. Yeah. And then I'm holding Don's 2-year-old baby right now on one screen. Got my 2 babies. I got a 3rd kid in the other room not listening to me. Like I said, a pool guy in the yard, a cat that's giving me the death stare. I didn't feed him yet. It's pressure.
And you're waiting for closers.
Yo, it's 9:50. Vince is supporting Wix's dad jokes. Not jokes. These is not jokes. It's life. It's real shit. Responsibilities. Fucking too much of this shit. Wordle time. No, I'm not doing Wordle on my own. I mean, I can, but it's just another thing to add to figuring out right now on screen. And I gotta run. I had to run 5 minutes ago. Yeah, gold rejected. I don't know if we're gonna get an hourly closure here. I was hoping an hourly closure above here. I would probably like that more than GJ because fucking range to go up here. But looks like that's it. Looks like we didn't get nothing here. Yeah, we had one trade that went 8 pips, and then we went break even. It was GJ closure above on the 15-minute. Oh, there goes GJ. Hold on. We're going to get an hourly closure. If the hourly closure, I'll keep this. I got to go start getting ready. But I'm going to come back in 5 minutes. We'll see what's going on. If it closes above, we'll try something there. I'm going to let it rock, guys. So enjoy the music for the next 5, 6, 7 minutes. I'll be back and we'll see where GJ is. If either it goes without us or it's going to leave a nice Gladiator candle here that we can take advantage of. Small stops. We'll see. Give it some time. Here comes a MM joke. Once again, Wix turned into a headphone.
Certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
get some water, man.
I got some water next
Damn,
time.
bro, what you hitting there, bro?
Here.
Wagwan fam.
Do you guys believe Wix9 can come back in 5 minutes?
That's gonna be a tough one, I think.
You think Wix will call it day or no?
No, I think he'll come back. See how the hour closes, but after that, yeah, I think he'll call it a day.
Oh, okay, I see.
I think he's waiting for this 1 hour candle to close above. If this closes above, 100% he's gonna take the trade.
Yeah. And then he's
Yeah,
probably gonna
man.
dip
I like
right
this
after.
session, man. It's good session, you know.
For sure. Wix has 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I wish I can do a poll, man. Is Wix gonna come back at 10? Or is he gonna be late?
Is he gonna miss the move?
And it's gonna be one of those moves where the bottom wick
It's gonna,
just
like-
forms like 1 minute and then flips.
Yeah, it's gonna be like instantaneously.
What do you guys in the chat think? Can I please talk loudly? Sorry, man. It's nighttime here. It's literally 10 p.m. here. I'm not the only one in the house. Hey, Wix is here.
Wix is back in the house.
Wild 420. Looks like you're wrong, man. He had 2 minutes to spare.
Naked HD. Delete Tinder. We have sex cheaper. Jay.
Alright, we're gonna come back down. It's gonna make a top wick and come back down in range. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. There's nothing here now. Yeah, we didn't get a closure above it. Actually closed bear, and now we're making a top wick first. So, gold on the hourly pulled back. If we do come back up and close above, there'll be buys later. But now there's nothing. Guys, I'm gonna call it a stream. I really was hoping GJ closed above. It just went up, 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 and decided to close bear back in range. Fire stream, we have one break-even trade. Things are starting to work more smoothly now, but I do wish Mr. Donvo would be back sooner so we could just vibe out here, the whole Devious gang. Shout out to Marcos for showing up for a split second 6 times. And JXTR helping me with this shit, and everybody that just comes on here. You guys are all the best. Naked HD guy, it wouldn't be the same without you. I swear. Your dedication inspires me to be here and more dedicated than you. I love it. Thanks, mods. See you guys tomorrow. JXTR, yo, big shout out to you. Yo, thanks for helping me set a lot of this shit up and figure it out.
Anytime.
And Biggs, same thing. All right, I'll see you guys. Did that feel like I just accepted an award? Like, or I want to thank the Academy. I want to thank God. I want to thank. I want to thank God for bringing us all here. All right.
I want to take myself.
I'm killing the stream, guys. Thank you guys for showing up. See you tomorrow.
Have a great day, y'all.
See you, brother.
Peace.